supports the idea that a big decline in the money supply can explain the Great Depression. Bernanke argues it's insufficient. Why don't we consider financial factors as a better measure of the credit channel during the Great Depression? Recession turned into a depression following the onset of a series of 3 to 4 different banking crises. The bank stocks traded over the counter, so they're not included in CRSP. So CRSP is the standard database that finance and economic professors go to look at stock prices for firms. It begins in December 1925. There's a lot of studies arguing that the Depression was unpredictable, it was unforecastable. If the Great Depression was largely about bank failures and a banking crisis, what variable should predict the Great Depression the best? It should be a bank stock index.